So we just strolling, just made it here to San Antonio, down at the Riverwalk. Y'all here with my son and his kids.
Yo, what up, what up?
That's Gerard.
Well, this is Aubrey. That's the little one is Alex, and then the bigger one is Ava, and that's my wife Chloe right there. And we low-key just chilling, enjoying time with the family, having some fun. Probably gonna see the movies later. You know, just little stuff.
Look at what are you doing, digging? We gonna come down here.
Hello.
What you looking at? What's that right there? A duck. Okay. Wave at the people on the boat. Yep, yep.
Which are part of the draining system. So when it rains, the water goes out.
Yeah. The kids enjoying it.
Alex.
Yay.
All right, cool. So we just purchased some tickets to get on the little boat that we've been seeing in the video. It's called the Go Rio, and pretty much all it does is take you around the whole Riverwalk, and then they talk about the history and what's going on and things that have happened and certain important things that's happened in San Antonio while we're on the boat ride. So it's kind of like a little tour that we all finna go on and have a little fun with.
All right.
San Antonio River, we're going to cover 2.5 miles. The river spring bed 4 miles north of here on the campus of the movie Miss Congeniality starring Sandra Bullock.
Yep.
Miss Congeniality, the beauty pageant was filmed here on this stage. Did you see the boat that passed right by here in the movie? Did you see the boat captain who was in the movie?
Who was it?
Was that
It was
you?
somebody else. On our left,
Still working.
neighborhood in our city, on Marriage Island. And right here we have the old mill crossing. Back in the 1800s, there was a mill on the right bank where the Hotel Contessa is today, the Nate Lewis Mill. Right here below the mill, San Antonio River was only a foot deep. Neo-Gothic style architecture. 20 gargoyles near the top of the building. They extend out about 3 to 4 feet, then serve as drainage downspouts. We have a heavy rainfall, water pours out the mouth side of the boat. Look straight up, check this out.
Oh my goodness.
The Nix Hospital opened 1930. Harold Burnett born here 1933.
I barely got it too on the side. Yeah, it looked like it was skinny.
94.5 on the right side of our boat, high above the downtown skyline, the Tower of the Americas. There it is. It opened for the World's Fair, Hemisphere, 1968, 55 years ago. 622 feet to the rooftop. The second tall, our tower 622, Seattle Space Needle 606.
Look at that statue.
Tower has the observation level at the very top.
What is that?
Below that,
She about to
the
tell us
Shark
she holding a
House
star.
restaurant. It revolves.
Like it's a
Straight ahead of us, they unveiled the Stargazer sculpture last year. The sculptor Pedro Reyes from Mexico City. Stargazer used volcanic rock stars mark the foundation
That was
granite.
so close.
On the right side of our boat, you'll see the cypress knees growing out of the ground. These cypress knees were part of the group system.
So we just got done with the boat ride. We stopped in here to get some food at the Quesario. It's the oldest restaurant at the riverfront. It was established in 1946.
The riverfront or the river walk?
The Riverwalk. No, it's called the River. It's called the River. It's called the Riverwalk. It's called the Riverwalk. So about to get here, get some Mexican food, and eat up real quick. So how you like your stay?
It's good. It's good. I like it. I'm enjoying it.
Cool. Y'all cool? How y'all doing? Y'all doing all right? All right. Cool. Cool. All right. Cool. We finna sign out and eat real quick, so we holla at y'all.
We inside the Alamo. I'll get you a few pictures of some statues and some history.
Go in there, it's like maybe 2 or 3 rooms.
Uh-huh.
And they're roped off so you can't even go in them.
Okay.
So pretty much you only got access to like
Nice little morning going into the afternoon downtown at the Riverwalk and a little bit of the Alamo. There we go. We all packed back in the car. There go everybody. See, she took my spot so the kids can have fun. There go the little bitty. Taking the little ones to go see
What y'all finna go see?
We're gonna go see
Super Mario.
Super Mario.
Yeah.
All right.
It's gonna be fun.
All right.
What you finna eat?
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Treats. And treats.
All right. We're at the movies. They watching Super Mario Brothers. That's yours.
It was mine.
Yeah, that's yours. Movie?
I like the movie because Super Mario saved
Princess.
a princess
All right.
and they saved the world.
Say hi. Say hi.
hilarious.
Say hi.
Hi, Papa.
There you go. This legend in here playing his game. Minus the room with all this stuff. What he playing?
Fortnite.
So, YouTubers, he playing Fortnite. This is my grandson. In his room. Y'all see the toys. I'm gonna back out and leave him alone. Baby J right here rolling all around. Look at him. Y'all hear him. There go Fortnite. Fortnite then came down. The legend of all legends then came down now. Yeah. I'm surprised he gave up the game for y'all. Oh, they done made him mad now. They done made Baby J mad now. Oh, shuck it. Yeah. And look at him on them tippy toes. Yeah. They made you mad. You ain't crying now? Come on. Come on to Paw Paw. Come on. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Welcome to Big Papa Jerk. I'm Chef Vaughn. Let me take you on a tour of my trailer, man. We out here, Houston, Texas. You're gonna catch us at 19002 Psalms Road, Houston. Big Papa Jerk. We got your jerk chicken. We got your Phillies. We got jerk chicken tacos. We got the Jesus, which is the best of both worlds. Steak and chicken mixed together on the Philly. We do it all. Come check us out. Come on. So the trailer, this is where I do my thing at, man. We got the grill, the flat top, the fryers. Basically, this is where I handle everything that's jerk. Goes on the grill, we grill it up right here. Phillies get chopped up on the flat top here. We have our POS system. I play my personalized music right here off of my laptop. And yeah, this is where I do it, man. My fridge, I keep all my goods refrigerated. We hooked up to the power so we can let this thing run all night long. Got the AC unit in here because it get hot. So Yeah, but welcome to Big Papa Jerk, man. When we do what you gotta do, man. Everything jerk chicken specialist, that's me. Come holler at me, Houston, Texas. All right, so when you come to Big Papa Jerk and you want to place an order, we put it all in right here. So say you want to order wings, we throw that in right there. Go ahead and tell me what seasoning you want for your fries, what sauce you want for your chicken, and do you want your sauce on the top or on the side. And then when you're ready to pay, we take your phone number in, and we go ahead and text you when your order is done. So that's usually how we do it. You get a text message when your order is through, but if our system is down for some reason, which really never happens, we have these right here, these buzzers. If somebody calls in, they can come in, you give them one of these, when their order's ready, it beeps for them. They bring it back, you give them their food, that's Big Papa Jerk.
Yeah, I want that Big Papa Philly cheesesteak, fam.
So we got so I heard you get the Jesus?
I guess you said we done did all this cooking already, huh?
And for the Jesus, you want the country sweet mild or the country sweet hot? Alright, you're gonna like it. You want that sauce on the top or on the side?
You want it on top, cuz?
You sure about that? Here on the side. That's how it looks when the order comes through.
Cooking it, it'll be good at 5. So look, there's alcohol. I'm on alcohol, he on apple juice.
So what you say? Tell him.
I said I'm on alcohol, he on apple
You
juice.
stopped that. I was getting ready to say you had too much vitamin C.
No, they can hear you.
You got it.
Because he tripped over the curb, I'm like, oh, that boy got too much vitamin C right
Let me get on this
there.
side.
Yeah, this is the office, the new office.
Hey, what's wrong with girls?
Yep, I got that. Yeah.
I got this toast
You want a
system
picture?
because everybody else be
Papa's Jerk.
What's up, family? I'm out here in Houston, Texas. Big Papa Jerks. Family owned food truck. Check it out.